PDF Image Printer 12 Dashboard Overview. Version 12 of Peernet's image printers, TIFF image printer, raster image printer, and PDF image printer include a dashboard, which is the control center for your image printer, with links to edit and create profiles, manage printers, activate the product, help resources, and more. The purpose of the dashboard is to bring all tools and resources related to your image printer into one place. This will make it easier for users to find and change their output settings, edit their printer name, and access our many forms of help resources. In this video, I will be giving you an overview of the dashboard found in version 12 of your image printer. To launch the dashboard for your image printer, double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF image printer, raster image printer, or PDF image printer. In the top left-hand corner of the dashboard, you will see a summary of your license information. This includes your serial number, license type, and activation and subscription status. The available tools and resources that can be launched from the dashboard are Profile Manager. Select Edit and Create Profiles to launch the Profile Manager utility. This is where you can review and change all output settings available with your image printer. Printer Management. Select Manage Printers to launch the Printer Management utility. This is where you can copy the printer, rename the printer, or assign a specific profile to the printer. License Wizard. Depending on the status of your license, the text in this tile will vary, but regardless, select this tile to launch the License Wizard. This is where you can do things like activate your product, change your serial number, or manage your licenses. Quick Start Guide. Select this tile to launch the Quick Start Guide for your image printer, which is a PDF reference that will walk you through the basics of using your image printer. Video Tutorials. Select this tile to launch your image printer's video tutorial page on the Peernet website, which offers a range of tutorial videos from basic to advanced on using the product. User Guides. Select this tile to launch your image printer's user guide. Renew subscription. Select this tile to log in to your Peernet online account where you can renew your annual subscription. Add licenses. Select this tile to log into your Peernet online account where you can purchase additional licenses of the product on the same serial number. Check for updates. This tile will notify you if there is any updates pending for download and install. Note, the dashboard may look different if you are running a one-time license, as you do not have access to all the features. Try out our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.